Hello, children. I am Pratibha Sonavne. I am a teacher at Gokhale Education Society's HL High School and Junior College English Medium School. Here I am posting Mathematics Subject Standard 6 videos.
Hi, how are you?
Not so fine. Today I got my result.
Oh, great. How much percentage you got?
God, how can I tell you? I don't know what is this percentage is.
Okay, let it be. Today we will ask our teacher. Okay. Okay, bye.
Good morning, children. Sit down.
Thank you, teacher. Thank you, teacher.
Children, in the last chapter, we have learned ratio and proportion. In that, we have learned how to find out the ratio and proportion. So, we have solved many questions of practice set 28 and 29. Now let us start new unit. That is 12th one. It is percentage. What is percentage? The word cent means 100. The percentage means per 100. The sign of percentage, we can write it as like this. Percentage in the form of a fraction, we can write it as like 48% means 48 upon 100 and 25% means 25 upon 100. In the fraction form, we can write it as 1 upon the other. Okay, if you are getting marks out of 100, we are writing it as, if you got 92 marks, we will write as 92 upon 100. It means you got 92%. But if your exam is of 25 marks, how you can find out the percentage? So, in the fraction in the form of a percentage, what we actually do, we will use equivalent fraction to make the denominator 100 so that we can find out of 100 marks, that is percentage. Give some examples of percentage.
Teacher, water in the dam also showing in the percentage manner, like 58% of dam is full with in the rainy season.
Okay, very good, children. You can see your mobile also showing the percentage, how much battery is remaining. It is also shown in the percentage manner. Let us start practice set number 30. Children, the first question is Shabana scored 736 marks out of 800 in her exams. What was the percentage she scored? So, how we can write here? Shabana scored out of 800. So, while writing marks, we are writing out of marks at denominator and scored marks as the numerator. Right? Means she got 736 marks out of 800. To find out the percentage, we just have to multiply it with 100 so that we can get the percentage of this scoring number. So, multiply with 100 we are having now 736 upon 8. Let us divide it. This will be a rough column. So 8, 7, 3, 6. So you must be knowing the table of 8. Yes. 8 nines are 72. Subtract 1. Then we'll take 6 down. After subtracting 1 remaining. Then 16. 8 twos are 16. So the answer is 92. So what will we do here? 8 ones are 8. 8 nines are and 8 twos are. So the answer is 92%. Children, percentage means percent. Cent means 100. Out of 100, how much? Any of the numbers which are having out of the number that we are writing. This number is 736 out of 800. When we have to find out the percentage, we have to multiply it with 100. Then we'll understand that how much number she got out of 100. That is percentage. Okay. Shabana Shabana scored X% of the marks. Okay, let us consider here that she got X% means X upon 100 marks. So that we can find out the percentage. So how much she scored? Yes, she scored 736 marks out of 800. So what we'll do here, to find out the X value, we will multiply both sides with 100. So let us multiply both sides with 100. X upon 100 multiplied by 100 and 736 upon 800 multiplied by 100. So that we can get the value of X. So here we cut 100 ones are 100, 100 ones are 100. Left hand side only X remain. Here we cut the 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. What we got here? 736 upon 8. Let's have the rough column we are having. We will have the division over here. 8, 736. So here 8 nines are 72. Subtraction. 3 minus 2, 1. 6 will take down as it is. 7 minus 7, 0. So 8 twos are 16. And here the remainder is 0. And the answer is 92. It means X is equal to 92. So here the answer is Shabana scored 92% score. Okay. Now let us see question number 2. So what is the next question is? Next question is, there are 500 students in Dahihanda village. If 350 of them can swim, what percent of them can swim and what percent cannot? Means how much percentage can swim and how much cannot. Both we have to find out. Okay. So let us see how many students can swim. Let us see second number. Answer to So here we'll take X% of the students can swim. Okay. Let X% of students can swim. Okay. X% means X upon 100. To find out the percentage from out of how much? 500. So total number of students are 500, from which how many students can swim? 350. Yes. To find out the percentage, we will multiply 100 with both the sides. Okay, left hand side and right hand side. Why? To cut this 100, what we'll do here? Multiply 100 to left hand side and right hand side. Multiply by 100. 350 upon 500 multiply by 100. So let us solve. Here we'll cut 100, 100 ones are 100, 100 ones are 100. X remain. Here we cut both the zeros. Number is 5. Then we'll divide the 350 with 5. So here 5 sevens are 35. Subtraction. Answer is 0. We'll take the 0. 5 zeros are 0. And after subtraction, here the remainder is 0. Got it? So, after cutting this, we'll get 70. It means 70%. Children, how many percent can swim? 70% of students can swim. Now, one more question here they have added, that how many students cannot swim. So, let us consider 500 students means 100% of the students. From that, 70% can swim. So, how many students cannot swim? To find out that percentage, what we'll do here? We'll subtract 70 from 100. So, that will get how many percentage cannot swim. Okay, let us see. Students cannot swim is equal to 100 minus 70. Okay, 100 minus 70. So we can do in the rough column 100 minus 70. What will the answer? Yes, 30. Very good. So the answer is 30%. So you can write it down that 70% of the students can swim and 30% of students cannot swim. Let us see the next question. If Prakash sowed jowar on 75% of 19,500 square meter of his land, means this land is 100% of the land. Okay, the total land area is given. And from that 75% of jowar he sowed in his farm or on the land. On how many square meter did he actually sow jowar? So let us see. Sowed jowar on X square meter of land. See children, here 75% is given 195 multiplied by 75. So we'll start with right side. 5. Okay. 5 5s are 25. 5 9s are 45 plus 2. 47. 4 here. 5 and the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then let us see next one. 7 5s are 35. 7 9s are 63. 63 plus 6, 66. 7 1s are 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, plus 6 is 13. Let us add 5, 12, 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 1, 16, 3 plus 1, 4, and here is 1. So the answer is 14,625. So Prakash wrote Jawad on 14,625 square meter of land. Let us see question number 4. Soham received 40 messages on his birthday. Of these, 90% were birthday greetings. How many other messages did he get besides the greeting? Okay, so total number of messages he got is it is 40. Okay. And from that, birthday greetings we'll consider it as X. Okay. So, X upon 40 means 40 total messages. Out of 40, X messages were the birthday greetings. Okay. Here we'll see 90% means 90 upon 100 out of 100 out of 90%. 90% is the birthday greetings. Okay. Let us solve it. What we'll do here, we'll multiply both the sides with 40. Find out the value of X. Okay. See the equation. Cut the 40. To the left hand side we are having X. Let us cut this 0. 0 by 0. Okay. Then 9 4s are 36. So what will be the answer? Soham got 36 birthday messages, birthday greetings from total messages. The question is, how many other messages did he get besides the greeting? So birthday greetings he got, answer we got the 36, right? So what we'll do here? So other messages is equal to total 40 messages minus birthday greeting messages minus 36. So we will get the number of other messages. So 40 minus 36. Let us subtract. In your rough column you can do here 4. It will become 3. 3 means 0. Answer is 4 messages. So other messages is equal to 4. 48 are literate. Okay, so let us write first. Total number of people is equal to 5,675. Okay, from that, literate people. Literate 5,448. Okay. What is the percentage of literacy in the village? Okay. So, percentage of literacy is equal to X%. Okay. So, X upon 100 means, we'll consider as X. Literate people will take it as a numerator. Okay. Out of 5,675. This is the total number of people we'll consider as 100% and X 5,448, which we have to find out. So here we multiply 100 with the both sides. First we'll write left hand side X upon 100 multiply by 100 is equal to 5,448 divided by 5,675 multiplied by 100. Okay children, these numbers are so big. Okay, you must be knowing the division. We'll do that. First we'll divide this both number. 100 ones are 100, 100 ones are 100. Left hand side X remain. Here what we'll do, we'll divide it with, we can divide it with 5 also, or we'll try to divide it by 25 number. First we'll divide with 5. Last number is 5 and 0. Yes, it will come in 5 table. 5 2s are 10, 5 zeros are 0. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15, 3 5 7s are 35. Okay. Now let us see in which table it may come. It will become 17, 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. Again we can cut this number with 5. 5 4s are 20, 5 2s are 10, 1 here, 5 2s are 10, 3 5 7s are 35. Here we got that both the numbers are not able to divide with each other. So let us see what we can do here. Here 5,448 multiplied by 4 and upon 227. So first what we'll do here, we'll multiply these both the numbers. See in the rough column 5,448 multiplied by 4. Let us solve it. 4 8s are 32, 4 4s are 4 8s are 32, 4 4s are 16, 16 17 18 19, 16 17, again 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17, 1 here, 4 5s are 20 plus 1 21. So here we got 21,792. X is equal to 21,792 upon 227. Okay. So here we'll write the table of 227 and then we'll divide in the rough column. Okay, this is our rough column. Here the table of 227 have been written so that we can divide this number with 227. So let us divide it. So 227 we'll write here so that you can see 227 and the number is 21,792. Okay. So the first number is 2179. So we'll take it as 2043. The first four number can be taken as a 9s are. 227 9s are 2043. Let us subtract it. Okay. 9 minus 3 6. 7 minus 4 3. 1 minus 0 1. And here 0. Let us take get 2 here. The number is 1362. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With 6 are. Okay? 227 6 are 1362. Here the remainder is 0 and the answer is 96. So we can write it as x is equal to 96%. So it is quite difficult, but you can make it easy by make the number smaller. By making the number smaller, see the number what we get after 5448 multiplied by 4, we got 21,792. Then we have divided it with 227 that we got the smaller number after division. So here we have written, then this is the table by which you can solve the division, and we got f is equal to 96%. So the children answer is the literacy of the village is 96%. Okay. Now see the next question. In the election 1080 of the 1200 women in Zambulgaon cast their vote, while 1360 of the 1700 in Vadgaon cast theirs. In which village did a greater proportion of women cast their vote? Children, here we will find out the percentage of Zambulgaon first, and then we will find out the percentage of Vadgaon. Okay, then we'll compare it, that which village did a greater proportion of women cast their votes. So first we will find out percentage of women cast their vote in Zambulgaon. That is 1080. Okay. And your total number of women in Zambulgaon find out the percentage, then first we'll write it in the fraction manner and we'll multiply it with 100. So out of 1200 means we'll write 1200 as a denominator. Out of 1200, 1080 women cast their vote. Okay. So these many students cast their vote from 1200 of women. And multiply with 100, then we'll get the percentage. Okay. So let us divide it. We'll cut the 100. Then what will get here? 12. Let us divide it. You must be knowing the table of 12. 12 lines are 108. 0 as it is. 12 zeros are 0 and here the remainder is 0. Okay. So the answer is 90%. This much you can write. Okay, I'll rub this. Number of women cast their vote in Badgaon. It is 1360. Here the total women are 1360 cast their vote from 1700 number of women. Okay. So let us find out the percentage of women cast their vote in Vadgaon. It is equal to, see, again 1360 cast their vote. It will be numerator and will denominator total number of women. Okay. And multiply it with 100. Why we are multiplying it with 100? To find out the percentage. Okay. So let us divide it. Cut the 0, 0. Then let us divide it. Are 136. Okay, and here it will be 0 and we will take the 0. 17 zeros are 0. Here the remainder is 0, means 80%. So here we'll write, I am rubbing this division. You can do it in the rough column. So the answer is 80%. Here 90% women cast their vote in Jambulgaon and 80% of women cast their vote in Vadgaon. So in which village did a greater proportion of women cast their vote? Yes, in Jambulgaon the greater proportion of women cast their